House, my highest respect and courtesy to our provincial governor, Lana del Sur, Honorable Mamintal Bumbit Adjong Jr. Napakan po natin ito. Of course, to our guest speaker, whom I will formally introduce later, Major General Igor Ray Barocchini Jr., the Commander of 1st Infantry Battalion. To all the local chief executive of Lando del Sur and their representatives who are present today, led by the President of League of Municipalities of the Philippines, Lando del Sur Chapter, and the Mayor of Quiapo, Honorable Mayor Ali N. Sumanda. With the indulgence of our guest speaker and the good governor of Lando del Sur, please allow me to acknowledge all the invited guests who travel all the way throughout their respective area. Napakalayo sir, mga pinanggalingan, mayroon pa galing sa Cagayan de Oro and in Llano del Norte. So, isa-isa please, medyo isa. It's just proper to acknowledge their effort to come over to be part of this celebration. Ngayon ko na yung ating, of course, Congressman Raman Joe, representative of 1st District of Lano del Sur, represented by Michael Kylie Abdurrahman. Doon, napakaganda. The Vice Mayor of Marawi City, Honorable Sultan Mahmoud Damra, the Mayor of Saginan, the Honorable Jalaluddin Angin, the Mayor of Lumba Bayabao, our Lady Mayor, Honorable Mahal Tigalangit, of course, the Mayor of Lumbayanagi, Honorable Jamal Asu, the Mayor of Tisan Ramain, Honorable Sarudin Abdul Malik Kuki Adjong, every represented by Honorable Nabil Batnaan. Good morning to everyone. We have gathered here today to celebrate the 52nd unit founding anniversary of the brigade. On this occasion, this is an opportunity to recognize personnel who have excelled in their performance of their duties, and we also wish to express our appreciation to our stakeholders and partners whose contribution has been vital to the 100 Brigade mission and objectives. Looking back 10 years ago, I can confidently say that the peace and order situation here in Lando del Sur has significantly improved. What was once a challenging environment has now evolved into a more stable, secured community through the collective efforts of our security forces, local leaders, and the people themselves. May kasabihan nga Bagamat malayo pa ang landas na ating narating na natatahagin, buong dangal nating masasabi na napakalayo na ang ating narating. All these achievements would have been possible without the immense sacrifice, unwavering dedication, steadfast perseverance, and exceptional courage of those who came before me. At this point, allow me first to begin by recognizing the former commander who shaped the 100th Brigade today, represented by my former brigade commander and the former 48th commander of 1st Infantry Tabak Division, Major General Soler Juan Gord Pinar. So this time to be recognized for you representing the former commander, aside from, of course, from our guest speaker, General Murillo, has been my brigade commander when I was then the battalion commander of 1st Infantry Battalion. Under their guidance and with the dedication of our troops, the brigade faced some of its toughest challenges, including the campaign against Dawla Islamiyah Now. Then came the Marawi siege. Kung mahirap ang butig, mas matindi ang Marawi. Triple ang hirap, triple ang sakripisyo. Sanay ang ating mga sundalo. Makita niyo ang ating sundalo ay trained o sanay sa mountain warfare. Pero doon, hinarap ng nila na may tapang ang ang bagong laban. Ito ay during the Marawi siege of the warfare. Then in 2023, our guest honorary speaker assumed command of this brigade. Diligent in intelligence, continue to lead with courage and precision and determination, ensuring that the 100th Brigade remains ready to serve and protect the people of Lacson del Sur. Most notably, key leaders like Satar Abu Zakaria and the sub-leader Perpetual Lines, while the secretary and the CEO of Isaac Supply voluntarily surrendered, laying the foundation for lasting peace even before I assumed command. Together, our history of sacrifice, resilience, and leadership reminds us that peace is never given. It is earned through dedication, teamwork, and unwavering commitment to our communities. I sincerely thank our former commander, of course, General Murillo, and of course our guest speaker, for their invaluable contribution in shaping best of Lacson del Sur today. Beyond military achievements, the province is seeing rapid social and economic growth, guided by our good governor, the Honorable Mamintal Bumbita Jr. Danau del Sur is currently one of the fastest growing economies in the Philippines. As of 2023, the province posted about 5.2% GDP growth rate. The highest in the region, surpassing the regional average of 4.3%. Likewise, poverty incidence has dropped from 68% in 2028 now to 11.4 in 2021, while business and investment continue to thrive. Again, palakpakan po natin ang Therefore, let us continue to coordinate, collaborate, and support one another. Be assured that the 103rd Brigade will always back your development efforts. As we lead up to this anniversary, we celebrated with meaningful pre-anniversary activities. We have last March 7, 2026, or this year, we held a blood donation drive and strengthened our partnership with Amay Pakpak Hospital through the signing of Memorandum of Partnership Agreement. Again, doon yung ating taga-Amay Pakpak. Thank you very much for the partnership. And of course, just a letter, we successfully hosted the Harbon and the lead municipal mayor, Lalo del Sur Chapter Inter-Municipality Invitational Short Fest 2026. An event that showcased camaraderie, discipline, and strong collaboration among the local government units and other stakeholders. Actually, nandun ang ating butihing Vice Mayor ng Lalo del Sur. Marawi City. Si Mayor Bulgat Amra. Hindi lang sinerte. Ang ating champion, ang ating panis sa team versus team is yung Madalong team. And just 2 days ago, we held the Thanksgiving Mass, offering our gratitude for the blessings, guidance, and protection that have accompanied our brigade and the people of Lalo del Sur. This activity are testament to our shared commitment to service, teamwork, and community engagement. Lastly, as we celebrate the 52nd founding anniversary of the brigade, I extend my gratitude to our units for their dedicated and achievements. We have made significant progress, including weakening of the SSFI and the Dawla Islamiyah now. But let us never forget, our mission remains clear: complete the defeat of SSFI and the remnants of Dawla Islamiyah now. Support Lalo del Sur economic growth and uphold the peace process, while we continue to strive for the stability of our internal security. We must also disrupt China's United Front works and malign activities that aims to destabilize our economy and sow the seed for political division. To our stakeholders, your unwavering support and dedication to 103rd Brigade have been the pillars of our success. Your contribution have made a real difference. They will never be forgotten. From our soldiers' heart to yours, thank you very much. Together, we continue to stand strong, resilient, and proud. Mabuhay tayong lahat. Once again, magandang umaga.